Today we've gathered several different Riverdale alumni to test them on the history of Riverdale to see which alumni knows Riverdale best. Ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do it.
How many combined championships has Riverdale football won?
Like league, state, and everything all put together?
Yes.
I have no idea, and I played for 4 years.
32.
70?
6?
I'll say 33.
Correct. You're the only one to get that right.
Wow. Okay.
33.
33. Just kidding, DJ. Hi.
What year did the lower gym open?
2006.
2007.
2005?
See, they're working on it. Is that 2006, 2007?
Yep.
Which is embarrassing because that's the year I graduated.
True or false? There was supposed to be a mini cafe station built in the library.
That's true.
I heard someone. But then again, it's Riverdale, so there are rumors.
True.
True.
I'm going to say no, there were no concrete plans for that. I'm going to go with false. I think that's a trick question.
It's true.
What?
They
That's
forgot
true?
the sink.
How many years was Mrs. Brooks the principal?
She was the principal half of my junior year and part of my senior year. So that would be
94, and then 04 is 10.
8. That's 2000. 26.
Correct.
Yep.
26.
Yeah, exactly.
Nice! Don't do the math that I just did. All right, cut that out.
27. 26. Oh man! All right.
Which president visited the school and in what year?
I have no idea what year, but I know it was Reagan. Yes. It was in the... I think it was in the 80s. I was a baby.
Oh my God. I literally have no idea.
Who came?
Ronald Reagan, 1984.
Correct.
To promote 21 as the drinking age. How about that? I have no idea. Kennedy visited the school, I want to say. I have no clue.
It was Ronald Reagan.
Reagan.
Ronald Reagan in 1984.
1984.
Know that?
No, I wasn't born in 1984.
What year did Riverdale High School win the Blue Ribbon Award?
My graduating year, 97, 98.
Yeah.
I was a senior.
I don't even know what the Blue Ribbon Award is.
1998. 94.
97, 98.
Ah, never mind.
96.
97, 98 school year.
It's my senior year.
In what current season of TWIRD are we in?
9.
9.
14. 13? No. 12. Is this season 9?
Yes.
Yeah, because like the first one was my year. Yeah.
This is 9, right? Yes. It's that one I know.
Name one of the two alumni that were also teachers to be awarded the Distinguished Graduate Honor.
So this is Mildred Jacobus.
Both of them.
I know the answer. Give me a second. She just retired. She's a chemistry teacher. Come on, give it a name.
Carrie Jacobus?
Brenda Canal.
Ms. Jacobus? Yeah.
I'd like to say me, but
Those are all the questions.
That was really awful.
That was All right, better. that was That good. was good. That was good. All right.
Great questions, guys.
Thank you for coming in. That was actually pretty fun.
How is it that time already?
Good morning.
I'm late. I'm running late. I've got to pick up Christina.
You know, I used to cut school all the time, and not that I would really encourage you to do that all the time. I'm just saying maybe on occasion. I guess she didn't care.
Maybe I do deserve a break. Do you think I could use a break?
Yeah.
I'm thinking about skipping school. What do you think?
Do it.
Sick! I'm gonna skip school today. Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
Not too bad because they're not
Christina, I made eye contact with Mr. Pepe. I already feel guilty.
That's okay. Just go to your first period.
You're right. No reason to freak out. If he doesn't know, that'll be fine. I could just go to my first period class. I'll be cool about it. It's not like anyone will know, right? And then what?
Well, then you just leave after first period.
Yeah, sounds good. Sounds good.
Traina, we gotta edit our project.
Oh, I forgot. It won't take long, right?
Maybe?
All right, let's go.
Hey, Katrina.
Oh, hey. Hi, Miss Russell.
The National Honor Society.
Yeah, I'm in that.
Yeah, you gotta like come start doing events, right? So like we have like the concert
yeah.
and we're like selling like
Of
little
course.
bake sales
Yeah,
and like we're
baking.
decorating.
You're right, yes.
Yeah, you have a lot of stuff that you
You're
have to
right,
do.
and I'm going to get started on all that stuff.
Like now. No,
Yeah, no, now. I'm gonna
No,
go
later,
start that now. Yeah, you're right. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Hi.
Hey, what's going on?
Just the normal things like walking through the halls, decided to say hi to my favorite freshman teacher, and that was fun. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Katrina, hold on. Where are you going?
We're going
to the library for class.
Yes, class. Bye. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. You really saved me back there.
You're welcome, but I do have a favor to ask you.
What kind of favor?
It won't take long. Just come with me. I need you to strike a pose.
Oh no. No. Absolutely not. Not today.
Maybe try 1 foot in front. Okay, maybe less wind. Maybe try to interact with the plant more. We're going for a nature shot. Delicate. No, delicate. Pretty, gorgeous. You're gonna, sweet. Think delicate fingers. No monkey paws. No monkey paws. We're going for beauty here. High class photography. I take AP photo for a reason. Get up. That was amazing. Thank you so much. They were perfect.
Were they?
Yeah. Oh, okay. There's the bell. Well, the day's over. Bye.
Bye.
What are you doing?
Oh, I was going home.
No.
See,
You've been out. You have work to do. You have work to make up. When are you going to do it?
tonight?
Tonight? Listen, last chance. I want it tonight.
Yeah,
You
of course.
understand?
Yeah.
Good. I'm not joking.
Of
Last
course.
time.
So how was your day?
It was awful. I kept trying to leave, and I couldn't. I tried to take the day off. I tried to skip, and no matter what I did, it just wouldn't work.
Skipping school is not always peaches and cream, but there's always next time.
I guess you're right. There's always next time.
Look out! Here it comes! Yeah!
Guess what? What? Traina tried to hit me with the drone. Oh my god. I know. What the heck?
Oh my god, Dylan, do you know that Traina almost killed someone with the drone? No, did he actually? Yeah, he actually almost killed someone with the drone. Tell someone.
Paper, scissors, and shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, and shoot! Guys, did you guys hear that Traina almost hit somebody with his drone the other day?
Are you kidding
Like, I'm
me?
being dead serious.
Seriously?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh my
I'm being dead
goodness.
serious. Wow.
Austin, oh my god, did you hear that Traina hurt someone really badly with the drone?
Actually?
Yeah, actually, let's go.
Let's go.
Oh my god, dude, Traina hit someone with his drone, and now like they're like going to the hospital. Like it's crazy, I told you. Yes.
Show me. Yeah. Mr. Traina hit someone with their drone. They're in the hospital and they have internal bleeding.
Oh my god.
Come on, I'll show you.
Okay.
Dude.
What?
Traina hit a kid with a drone and they're literally in the hospital. They're on life support.
Really?
Come on.
All right, did you hear that Mr. Traina hit someone with a drone? And they're now in a coma?
A coma?
Yeah, really, yeah.
Did you see this?
What? No, oh my gosh, what happened? Oh my god, she's reportedly moved to Valley Hospital in West.
What? You're not dead?
What?
Well,
No, what?
Look.
What's this? What? I'm not dead.
Oh, sorry about that. Well, not really sorry.